Hi everybody, here is a continuation of the yesterday class, one more video from the chapter Polynomial. So yesterday we differentiate the algebraic expression and the linear equation. So today is a continuation of this part. The algebraic expression only we are calling with another name polynomials. Poly mean many terms will be there. So here is a one example I have given 4x plus 5. In that the first one is a 4x, it's a term, first term, and the 5 is a second term. Like that we can write 4x square plus 5x plus 9abc. If you think, is this a polynomial? Yes, this is also a polynomial. We are checking how many terms are there. Yes, so here there are the three terms, and then each term has a different variable. When you check the first term, it has x square as a variable, second term x as a variable, and the third term a, b, c. So the polynomial has variables and also the terms. And then when you're talking about the numbers who is standing along with the variable, we are calling them as the coefficients. When you observe the one more example, the number who is standing along with the x square is a 4. So 4 is a coefficient of x square. When you are mentioning the coefficient, always you have to say with a sign. And 5 is a coefficient of x. And then 9 is a coefficient of either a, b or c. So here are the terms we learn: coefficients, variable, and then constant, and one more is the terms. So in algebraic expression, in the last class I said I can use any variable with any power. That is the algebra. And one more name for algebraic expression only we are calling as a polynomial. In 9th standard, we are learning the polynomial under one variable. That is 4x square plus 9x plus 5 or 3 or 8, any one constant term. So in 9th standard, we are going to learn a polynomial with only one variable. Okay, before that, let's recall the types of polynomial which we have learned in the lower class. Yeah, here is the types of polynomial I have given. According to the terms, suppose I have only one term in the expression, mean which we are calling as a monomial. Here I have given 2x. There is no necessary always only the 2x or 3x. It may be any term. Either a constant term alone also be there, otherwise any x square or x cube or a to the power 100. Only one term is available, we are calling them as a monomial. Suppose the number of terms 2, there are two terms are available. For example, x plus 100, x square plus 3x, x cube plus 4, a to the power 10 plus b. So when you observe these examples, we have two terms. So in an algebraic expression, we have two terms, mean we are calling them as a binomial. Bi mean we know we are dividing into two parts, mean we used to call them as a bisecting. The same thing here also we are calling as a binomial. And then tricolor, we know the tricolor. So same thing, trinomial mean the number of terms in an algebraic expression is 3. Then we can call them as a trinomial. For example, the same example I am going to add one more, plus x cube or x square plus 5 plus x to the power 4 plus y to the power 18. So when you observe the example, here in the first one I have 3 terms, 1, 2, 3. So we can call them as a trinomial. And then forthcoming examples also, when you observe, everything has a 3 terms. So from this we understand, in an algebraic expression there is only one term, mean we are calling them as a monomial. 2 terms mean we are calling them as a binomial. 3 terms mean trinomial. And then quadrinomial mean 4 terms. But generally, whether it is a monomial or binomial or trinomial or quadrinomial, whatever else, everything we are calling together as a polynomial. So according to the number of terms, we have a 4 division that we learn in this class. The next one will be the types of polynomial according to the degree of the particular polynomial. So before going to the next class, let's recall about the degree of the polynomial. So when we talk about the people, when we ask the professional people, what is your qualification mean? They will say always a highest degree. Whatever degree they got in a highest education, that only they will say. The same thing here also in a polynomial, particular polynomial, it may be any variable, any power. We are checking which is the highest power. In the first term, we have a power 3. In the second term, we can't see the power, but power is hidden. For the A, there is a 1 power. For the B, there is 1 power. C. So totally for the second term, the power is a 3. And the third term, the power is a 6. So for this particular polynomial, the degree is 6. Why mean? Always the highest power of the particular polynomial only we are calling them as a degree. So in the next class, according to the degree of the polynomial, what are the categories are there, what are the types of polynomials are there, let's learn in the next class. Thank you all. Bye bye. We will meet in the next class.